Hello traders and welcome back to Trade Like Skills channel. In this video, I reveal exactly how I made 3,000 US dollars trading gold xauusd using my 5-minute secret scalping strategy. This setup is simple, powerful, and based on smart money concept. No indicators, no confusion, just pure price action and precision entries. Watch till the end as I break down the exact entry and exit points I used, my risk management formula, how to spot liquidity traps, and inducements on the 5 minute chart, why most traders miss this setup. And also, I'll also share my screenshots of before and after when I took this trade.
Want to trade like the pros? Join my free Telegram channel where I reveal the actual trades we've taken, the powerful strategies behind them, and the results that speak for themselves. It's also your direct gateway to my exclusive mentorship and VIP program, where traders are leveling up fast. Don't miss this chance to learn, grow, and win. Tap the link in the bio or description to join free today.
Without wasting much time, let's get started. So now what I'm talking about is about a 5 minute chart that we are going to look at and how you can trade on 5 minute chart and then you make some good money. Imagine you woke up when the market is looking like this. So what are you going to do? You're going to look for a trade and you're not going to force any trade. You are not going to sell because we are in an uptrending market. So what you have to do, just drop to 5 minutes and then check if you can see any zone that is going to give you a trade. Now, I think you can see this is the zone that I had chosen and it's the zone that I was going to take a trade from. So this goes mostly to the scalpers and those who want to be scalping. And if you want to make some good money through scalping, this is the easiest way to make good money through scalping. And it's the only way that you're going to be getting some good profits. Because if we are scalping on this trade, of course, we are making some good profits, because if we are trading all the way from here and we are looking at least at this end, we're making something like 86 to 90 pips. So now this was my zone. Now, what am I going to look at? First of all, we are looking at imbalance of fair value gap. And on my side, with my strategy, I don't trade fair value gaps. Instead, I trade other blocks that have created those fair value gaps. Now, what am I going to do? First of all, I'm going to look for liquidity. I'm going to look for the direction of the market. I'm going to look for imbalance, which is fair value gap, and another block. Now, first of all, we can see there is another block around here that made this move. So when the buyers dominated the market, of course, the market broke all the way this higher high or recent swing high. Now, we are looking at the market coming back to this zone in order to take a buy entry. Some people will say, no, the market is going to sell. But on my side, I'm seeing the market has been in an uptrend. There is no sign of dropping at all. And I can see that the market is breaking to the higher highs, if you can see that. Now, some people will do what we call lower time frame confirmation again. We are on 5 minutes and someone will go to 3 minutes, which is not bad. But sometimes this one will make you miss a lot of trades, which is not bad, but it's good to minimize the risk. So if I go to 3 minutes, I can see there is another block that has been left here around here, not mitigated yet, and the market might come back to this other block. So this one has minimized my risk. If I was going to take some big risk, I'm minimizing risk. Now let's go back to 5 minutes and then we check what we have minimized. Now, if I was going to take a trade all the way from this other block, the full of it, it would cost me at least something like 30 pips, which is not bad on my side. But if I'm taking a trade all the way from here, I'm minimizing it to 10 to 20 pips. Are you seeing this? So if I can give it a breathable space of at least 20 pips, and then I'm targeting something above here, which is around 90 pips. It's around 90 pips. Now you see, if I'm targeting something like 90 pips above here and I'm risking only 20 pips, that means I'm really doing great. So let's put our long position around here and then we wait for the market to come to this zone. Now I'm risking 20 pips for 90 pips. So risking something like 21 pips for 90 pips. I'm going to show you the screenshot of this trade that I took. So this is it. Now, after confirming that I'm having each and everything, I'm having imbalance, I'm having break of structure. Now, this is the reason as to why some zones, I'll call them risky zones. Now, first of all, this can be a risky zone because it is still having a lot of liquidity not taken below. And the other thing, we don't see a lot of liquidity inside, but the only thing we can see mostly is the break of structure, imbalance, and break of an order block, which are fine. And also we know that the direction of the market is in an uptrending mode. Now, what are we going to do? We're going to wait for the market to come to this zone, and then we take our trade from here. So let me run it and you see.
If you've been jumping from one free strategy to another and still can't find consistency, it's time to change how you learn. I've created an advanced mentorship at skillxfx built for traders who want real mastery, not recycled content. Inside, I show you exactly how I break down the markets, catch precise entries, and grow consistent results without indicators or guesswork. And here's the game changer. When you join the Profit Accelerator, you get a free $10,000 funded account. When you join the Mastermind Access class, you receive a free $100,000 funded account. No extra fees. This is for serious traders only. Tap the link in my bio or check the description below to get started today. Let's build your breakthrough.
And boom, the market is coming to our zone. We are waiting for the market to come to our zone, then we take an entry. Boom. Now the market has come to our zone and the market has activated our zone. So let's play this out and we see. Boom. All TPs hit. All TPs hit. Now, all take profits are hit. We can see now all take profits are hit. And then after hitting all take profits, the market had to do this, had to drop down, which means the market was just sweeping liquidity around here. Though after that, now this is what happened. And now because the market was still having what we call bullish momentum, strong bullish momentum, it was still going to the higher highs, breaking the swing highs. Then the market continued to the higher zones, which means the market came back, tapped into this order block and went back up. But someone who knows how to trade can't take this trade. Why? Because the market hasn't broken this recent high with a full body candlestick. So I can't take that trade again. Of course, this trade, I can't take it here. So this was a scalp, and this scalp gave around 90 pips. But for us, we had our last TP around 70 something pips. So we made it to the target, and all the TPs were hit. If someone is in my VIP, of course, they know that. And that's what we did. So that's why I always call you to get into my free Telegram so that you can get access to my VIP and also my mentorship. Now here are the screenshots. Then you can check the screenshots of the trade that I took and what I shared in the VIP. Of course, what we did with most of my members in the VIP. And this is what happened. We made that money and boom, all profits are made. So this is the easiest way that you can scalp on 5 minutes chart. You just wake up in a day, you look for a clear zone on 5 minutes chart, and then you wait for that zone and then you take your trade. Not just entering sell and buy wherever you find the market is. So that's what you're going to be doing, and you can backtest always. And I know most of you guys have been sending me messages that, wow, your strategies are really working for us and we have backtested. But you really need to learn more about how to use my strategies, because there are many secrets that you haven't even learned about, you haven't seen yet. So you have to get to classes and learn. So that's it. All right, guys, wait for more videos that are coming. Make sure you subscribe, like, comment, and share so that you can't miss more videos that are going to be teaching you guys. All right, ciao.
If you've been jumping from one free strategy to another and still can't find consistency, it's time to change how you learn. I've created an advanced mentorship at skillxfx built for traders who want real mastery, not recycled content. Inside, I show you exactly how I break down the markets, catch precise entries, and grow consistent results without indicators or guesswork. And here's the game changer. When you join the Profit Accelerator, you get a free $10,000 funded account. When you join the Mastermind Access class, you receive a free $100,000 funded account. No extra fees. This is for serious traders only. Tap the link in my bio or check the description below to get started today. Let's build your breakthrough.